But yeah, this is the nursery. We're gonna do our herbs in here and some other little starts. I plan on putting some pots outside of here and maybe growing some flowers or maybe some root vegetables. And we got this here because we actually have some hummingbird feeders. I got one that I bought and I got one that was sent to us. And we're gonna put those up and see how they go. But yeah, first I'm gonna show y'all what's going on out here in the garden. I think this is the courbaki. I can tell by the way they're growing. That's coming in. Got the banana peppers coming in. And we got the bell peppers coming in, pretty cool. And we also got some tomatoes that are actually ripening up. The super sweet 100s. And the okra doing excellent. I have a bunch of that. Gotta get us a thermometer here. I know it's hot in here. I know it's like 100 in here. Goodness. But got these from Walmart. Regular old. But yeah, that's what we're gonna start with. We're gonna start everything on here. Probably gonna start some more watermelons. Definitely some more zucchinis, some squash. I'm gonna take some of the tomato suckers, restart those. We're gonna actually try to do some, I got a fig tree up front, Chicago Hardy fig. I'm actually gonna try to root those and make some more fig trees. So we're gonna take one of our blackberries and try to propagate that as well. But yeah, it's the start. But this is the hummingbird feeder. I don't really know how to pronounce the name. It's glass. They got a little thing where they can stand up on and drink out of. But they sent this out to us, and we're gonna see how it goes. I like it. Like I said, it's glass, look well built. So we're gonna put this one here. That's what it's looking like. But yeah, appreciate y'all for tuning in to this one. It's hot, so I'm about to go inside. Gotta have them pollinators come, so I try to do as much as I can for pollinators to come around. Flowers, sunflowers, hummingbird feeders, things of that nature. So just do what you can, get them pollinators coming around so you can make sure you got a crop.